In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust your Outlook settings, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Outlook or simply haven't explored its settings before, this guide will help you customize your email experience with ease and confidence. We'll start by accessing the Outlook login page, which is available through Microsoft's official website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the sign in button, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. Ensure your email address and password are entered correctly, then proceed with signing in to take you to the main interface of Outlook. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to get acquainted with the layout. You're looking for the Mail tab, which is typically the primary focus area where you'll manage and read your emails. Look at the top right of the screen and you'll notice a gear icon which represents your settings. This icon is crucial because it's the gateway to customizing how Outlook works for you. Please go ahead and click on it to open the settings menu. The settings menu provides a wide range of options, but initially you might be interested in the quick settings. This area offers shortcuts to frequently adjusted features such as themes, display density, and focused inbox. Suppose you want to delve deeper into more advanced or specific controls. In that case, you'll need to click on View All Outlook Settings, usually located at the bottom of the pop-up for quick settings. Within this expanded settings menu, you'll find various categories like Mail, Calendar, People, and General, each packed with numerous options designed to tailor Outlook to your preferences. For instance, under Mail settings, you can adjust features related to message format, signature, automatic replies, and rules, which help manage your emails consistently. If you're looking to personalize your inbox further, consider changing the theme or layout, which offers a fresh visual experience. Remember, whatever changes you make, Outlook provides clear explanations for each setting, so take your time to read through and select what's best for you. A handy tip to streamline your email organization is to set up rules and filters. These can automatically sort incoming messages into designated folders or categories, saving you the effort of manual sorting and ensuring important messages don't get lost in a crowded inbox. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, be sure to save any changes made. While some changes apply instantly, others might need you to hit a save button, usually found at the bottom left of the settings window. Congratulations, you've now taken significant steps toward optimizing your Outlook settings. This customization not only improves your efficiency, but also personalizes your email environment, making your overall Outlook experience more pleasant and productive. If you have more questions or want to explore Outlook features further, don't hesitate to navigate back to the settings, where help and support options can provide additional guidance.